How to make butter chicken in 20 minutes. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 medium onion diced, 1 teaspoon fresh ginger finely minced or grated or use paste, 2-3 cloves garlic finely minced or crushed, 1/2 pounds about 2-3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into 3/4 inch chunks, 4 tablespoons tomato paste or 8 ounces can of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chili powder or paprika, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon Fenugreek I use powder, but seeds or mustard seeds can be used too, optional, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 tsp salt, 1/4 tsp black pepper, 1 cup heavy cream sub for half and half or yogurt for low-fat hot cooked rice and naan for serving. Instructions: heat a large skillet or medium saucepan over medium-high heat, add the oil, butter, and onions and cook onions down until lightly golden, about 3-4 minutes. Add ginger and garlic and let cook for 30 seconds, stirring so it doesn't burn. Add the chicken, tomato paste, and spices. Cook for 5-6 minutes or until everything is cooked through. Add the heavy cream and simmer for 8-10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Serve over basmati rice or with naan. Like and subscribe. Full recipe will be in the description. Enjoy.